Hey guys, turn your side hustle on. In this video, I'll cut to the chase. I'll be honest and show you the easiest way to make $1,000 in 30 days from any place using your computer and your grace. How to actually make $1,000 a month online? Well, the best way is dropshipping on eBay. It's a retail fulfillment method. Complicated? Don't be frustrated, I'll simplify. You sell products without having the products you sell with you in stock. It's a sweet spot. Your customer buys the item in your online store. He pays, wait, there's more. With that money, you purchase the item from a third party, which ships directly to your customer's door. You never see the product, only profit margin, cash. This method will rock because you don't need stock. There are more advantages if you dropship on eBay. I'll soon describe. But please don't forget to like and subscribe because this channel is a guide for online businesses, so enjoy the ride. Okay, getting back to it. When you open an eBay account, you don't have to pay. You also don't have to pay for Facebook ads because eBay has its own traffic. Dropshipping is a low-risk business. You don't have to have tons of money tied up in inventory. It's fearless. It's easily scalable and limitless. It's easy to scale as most of the extra work falls on the supplier. It's quick as there's no need for stocking inventory or hiring people. Without all of these steps, retailers can get their business off the ground with outstanding quickness. Let me know what you think about this down below. So what is necessary to get started? Sincerely. Well, all you need is a computer and internet connection, an eBay account, and a PayPal account. There are videos here that you can't go without. These will help you set up those accounts and help you avoid beginners' mistakes. There are also videos that will show you how eBay works and how to find products. Be sure to check those out as well. Okay, so now if you've already set up your seller eBay account and you've linked it to your PayPal account, I'll show you where and how I source products without paying in advance for stock. I'll cut the sweet talk. A good place to start is using AliExpress as your supplier. Let's see an example of an eBay seller that dropships from AliExpress and makes a good revenue. So this dropshipper here from Israel is making over $10,000 in sales earnings with an average product price of $85. And yes, this dropshipper does source his products from AliExpress. Check out our other videos on YouTube to see how that information is found. So now scrolling down to his product list, I actually did some research and I came across this portable speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker, dual bass, sold 3 times in the last 30 days, 3 lifetime sales for $29.23, and there's zero competition. So here by clicking on the title, you can go ahead and open it on eBay to get a little bit more information. You can choose the color. I went ahead and chose green, and the green is selling for $29.23. It's free shipping and the item location is China. Then what you can do is copy and paste this title here in AliExpress, and of course you can see many different speakers and a lot of them are the same as this seller here has. So I went ahead and opened one up that's selling for $11.49, free shipping, and it ships from the United States, so that's even better than the competition. I went ahead and selected the color as well. So now let's go ahead and do some calculation. Alright guys, so I have my calculator open here, and if we take $29.23, which is the price here on eBay for this item, minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents that also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees, minus the AliExpress purchase price, which is $11.48. This guy is making a profit of $13.35 for every sold item. As any other business, you need to put in effort and your time. So thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.